Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Rhassoul. Today's video is going to be on a Creme of Nature shampoo. This is the Creme of Nature Clay and Charcoal Shampoo. It promises to soften and replenish and add moisture as well. Today you're going to see me apply this and I'll talk about my results and show you the results as well. But before we get into all of that, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on social media as well. I load at least 3 videos a week. South African content, South African perspective, reviews, tutorials, you name it, you can find it here at the Coal Factory. Creme of Nature is not a brand that's new to me personally. I know it did enter into the South African market maybe about a year ago. Personally, I've been using Creme of Nature for at least 4 years, but I've never tried this line here. So if you're interested to know about the argan oil line from Creme of Nature, I have videos on my channel about that. If you're interested in the honey line, I have videos on that as well. As I said, I'm no stranger to Creme of Nature, but it is my first time trying this. So today's video will be more of a first impressions on this particular range from Creme of Nature. So this is their Soften and Moisture Replenish shampoo, and it's for all hair types. It contains activated charcoal, Rhassoul and Bentonite clay, and also aloe vera juice. It contains no sulfates, no mineral, and no petroleum. Now, I love the packaging of this, and I've wanted to try it for a very, very long time. So when I saw this on the shelves in South Africa, I was very, very excited. What I like about the shampoo is I like the consistency. It's nice and watery. If I have to open this, it's literally all just going to fall out. So it has a nice consistency. It lathers up really, really nicely. So when it comes to application, when it comes to experience, I actually really like this. In terms of cleansing, it does cleanse your hair. It does not strip your hair at all. So I enjoyed the washing process. In the video, I did add more water because if you use this in the shower, it's going to lather up even better than watching me do it on camera. You also don't have to use a lot of product. In the video, I did use a lot of product because I didn't have enough water to help emulsify it. But if you're doing it in the shower or in the sink, you don't need to use as much as I did in the video. It lathers up, as I said, very, very nicely. It cleans your hair. It rinses out nicely. I enjoyed the experience of using this shampoo, and it does contain Bentonite clay, it does contain aloe vera juice, it does contain charcoal, some amazing ingredients to really help to cleanse and detoxify the scalp. This is not a shampoo that I would use every single week. For me, this will lean more to a clarifying shampoo than an every week shampoo. Guys, so my thoughts on this product from Creme of Nature, I enjoyed it. Because I'll use this once a month, I don't mind the size because I will be able to use this over a few months. So very nice experience, nice cleanse as well. I was happy with the results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've tried any Creme of Nature products. What are your favorite Creme of Nature products as well? Or if you've tried this line or the shampoo from Creme of Nature as well. Thanks for joining me, guys, and I will see you guys again. Take care.